Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Nakuha ng Rain or Shine Elasto Painters ang una nilang panalo matapos pataobin ng Phoenix Fuel Masters 185. Top performer si Adrian Nuco matapos humakot ng 28 points, 7 rebounds, 6 assists at 2 steals. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Tinalo naman ng San Miguel Bearmen ang Tinti Trupangiga 91-89. Top performer si John Mar Fajardo matapos nagtala ng 15 points, 17 rebounds at 2 blocks. Heto ang team standings as of March 17, 2024. San Miguel Bearmen 2 wins 0 loss. Magnolia Hotshots 1 win 0 loss. NLEX Road Warriors 4 wins 1 loss. Northport Batangper 3 wins 1 loss. Barangay Ginebra 2 wins 1 loss. Tira Firma Jeep 3 wins 2 losses. Blackwater 3 wins 2 losses. Tinti Trupangiga 2 wins 2 losses. Meralco Bolts 2 wins 3 losses. Phoenix Fuel Masters 1 win 3 losses. Rain or Shine Elasto Painters 1 win 4 losses. Converge Fiber Sixers 0 win 5 losses. Heto ang game schedule ngayong March 31, 2024 na gaganapin sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Sa first game maglalaban ng Phoenix Fuel Masters at San Miguel Bearmen alas 3 ng hapon. Sa main game magtutos ang Magnolia Hotshots at Barangay Ginebra alas 6:15 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.